And he has seen some of my tapes on YouTube, even of atheism. And this question that is troubling him, he hasn't got the answer to. The brother asked the question that Almighty God knows everything before He created the heaven and the earth, before He created human being. Even if one person goes to
He could avoid that.
hell, he could have avoided that.
I mean, he could avoid being disappointed.
Of course. I'll reply. The brother said, even if one person goes to hell, it is as though God would be disappointed. Now coming to your question, I started a school. And you may have heard Islamic International School. If a teacher takes an examination, if she is just, while she is giving the examination, she writes in the maths paper 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? The student in front of her or him, the teacher, writes 5. She can very well tell the student, change 5 to 4.